Lakhipur online na puthok saba July ki tang kun manga irai numit ki Khomjinba Pao tabirasi ahanbada maroi Pao lam khopchil number singi mayokta Jiribam district administration na takthok pagi thabak ngarang dagi haukhre saknai raba theater director Ratan Thiam amadi retired IPS officer posangmam sunamani na laikhetabata makhatana awaba phongtok narakli IIT Guwahati ki thijinba kangbu amana akhanaba wa makhalama sijenaduna saba polama mana plastic ki mahut silaba yana leire Kasar jila da Kalain gi Sindura picnic spot lam koiba lakpa sigi tamak matam khara gi oina thingzin khre Barak Valley da Rajya gi University amanauna saragani haina Mukhyamantri na phongdokre amasung Jiribam da chathariba kang tournament ta ngase Yawol Biga Yawol Ega sanaragani Haujik mapung oiba pau tabirase Jiribam district administration gi maigaidagi Jiribam gi DC Krishna Kumar IAS na tha asigi taramathoi da thokiba order amagi matungina sarkar gi lam ain kaina kopchinduna leiriba sing adu July gi tang 19 gi nungthil gi pung 3 phawba gi manungda masa masana lauthok jagadabani haina Jiribam gi mafam da koina loudspeaker season aduna publicity chatkraba phawbada lauthok lamdaba sing ngarang JCB season aduna lam takthokpagi thabak haukhre ngarang nungthil Jiribam gi IB laikai gi lambi manak amadi Babupara gi mafam kharada ain kaina sajilamba sing takthokre masi makhata na pangthoki gani haina Jiri News Network tagi phangba pawasina hairi eviction gi matangda DC Krishna Kumar IAS na phongdoki bada
as per the direction of state government regarding eviction drive. And also it has been observed by the district administration that along the national highways and various roads in Jiribam district and also at different places, especially on the state land, many people they have encroached upon. In this regard, on 11th July 2025, notice has been issued and also appeal has been made to the general public to remove the unauthorized encroachment from the said state lands and national highways and all the other roads because we have observed that people they are doing extension of shops in the and also houses and also in the form of extension of their stairs which is causing inconvenience to the general public and also it is obstructing the traffic and also it is posing the hazards to the general public. So after completion of 7 days, it has been also observed that from the various section of general public, they themselves started removal of such kind of encroachment and we also praise them for such kind of initiative and from today itself, district administration in the presence of sub-regional magistrates and the PWD and also police and CFF has started this eviction drive because if this will not be removed by the public itself then district administration has to take such kind of eviction drive and also I would appeal to all the general public to cooperate with the district administration otherwise legal action will be initiated against all those encroachers those who are deliberately not removing the such kind of structures. Thank you.
Mizoram University dagi MSc Forestry da 90% phangduna rank to the pass tawrakraba silver medalist Laisom Priyanka bu Barak Valley Meitei Convention Head Office Lakhipur gi thobuba singna ngarang masagi yumda chatuna sel yauna lengyan fi amadi certificate piduna harau thayama phungdokre Laisom Priyanka Sonai Dhamai da leiba Laisom Brajababu amasung Laisom Ongbi Malati gi machanupini Harawa Phongdokpa duda Lupasigi VP Yumna Manikanta, General Secretary Laisom Biralal, Publicity Secretary Maitan Kaisangbam Bhupen, Amadi, Treasurer Akhom Brahmajit Yauna, Irom Dizendra, Laisom Bidda Chandra Chingba, Kunasigi Ate Miyoi Singsu Sarujaki Hairi.
Egi Ming Laisom Priyanka Kauri, Ade Koi Babagi Mingna, Laisom Brajababu Singha Kauri, Ade Koi Mamagi Mingna, Laisom Malati Devi Kauri, Ace Sonai Dhamai gi khundagini adai huji aise Mizoram University ki satra Department of MSc Forestry tamjabani batch na 2023 to 2024 ado handak ki exam da aise silver medalist phangna lakjabani aise competitive exam mayam so ai ki wakhanda lejai ado specific oina dum forest ki exam mayam lakada base ai thabagi prepare tawdei hai tare aina haijaning badi aigi throughout aigi study phase da so ko haidi phone use tawba natraga internet use tawba se yamna haidi kharamana phatte phai so hai adubu aigi dadi yamna phai haina hainingi haidi isana satra mana balance tawbado ai dum aisu dum atopa haidi entertainment source oigera dum yengjarak asu aina haidi study gi oya yamna for focus oina haidi yengbagi aduduna hena interest oirakpa adun atopa yengnibado thaurak adutuna dum balance oirakpagi phone paibana aise ke haini distract tawi haibuti ai haiheni duna aigidi internet source na yamna ingonda improve oihali haitare Barak Valley Meite Convention ki group sena lakchadana ai busmaina amena aidi pukning thogathanna aigi mamang ai future gi oina haidi amena ingonda so yamna interest oina aibo haidi support they motivate tawi adutuna ai yam thagat ningai haidi thank you hainengi mayam dabu
sumaina mana mai paglak pasida aikoina taba maktada aikoina angamba sen khara doigi ningjan pma doigi certificate ama ma ki mafam da aikoina khusina wala aibase aikoi di jamna athuba matam da sin ki bana jamna phajabadi oidre aibung ku gi mafam da aikoina thuni jari ma ku tungda achauba mithoi mena ma oirak sano haiba thuni jaraga matang sedabashin
Socio-political commentator amasung retired IPS officer Posangam Sunamanina Laikitabada Kasar Lakhipur subdivision gi tongan ba lup kaya nangarang Lakhipur Khoman gi ibudau thongnang lampakta Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Lakhipur District Committee gi lamjing makhada Manipuri Youth Front of Assam All Assam Manipuri Women Mairapaibi Coordination Committee Manipuri Language Protection Coordination Committee Assam Athobaning Singlup Mitei Pukailup Common Club Lakhipur amadi ibudau thongnang thogalup ki member singna awaba phongdokre Kasar Lakhipur Khomanda pokhiba aduga Manipur da laikiduna punsigi aroiba yahip tan kraba Posangam Sunamani laikidabagi awaba phongdokpagi thoromasida Leisungbam Robindro President Lakhipur District Committee Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Assamna thoramapu aduga Dr. KN Chan President MLPCC Khomjinba Ongbi Aruna President All Assam Manipuri Women Mairapaibi Coordination Committee Ingudam Tarun Kumar President Common Club amadi Oinam Biramani AP President Lakhipurna Phambak Thaitengki Laikhidrabagi maramda Arambam Gaur Gopal Ingudam Binod Seram Herazit amasung Arambam Pradip na chingbana wafam kaya thambiki Lengbirakiba miyamna Oja Sunamani gi photo da haikat laikat tamkibaga loinana imung manungi awabada su saruk yari haina Ingudam Nilbir Secretary Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Assam Lakhipur District Committee gi maikita ki khangalagli Malemgi thakta saknairaba theater director Padmasri Ratan Thiamna khanghaudana laikitabada Manipuri Theater Center Assamna thamoi sokna awaba phongdorakle Lupki President Kunjalal Yenremamgi sangai da pangthokiba awaba phongdokpagi mifamda laikhitabagi thawaina lairamlenda ingna chikna leirunabagi tamak taibang mapuda thonijaki Kunjalal Yenremamna mifam apoiduna pangthokiba awaba phongdokpagi mifam aduda Lupki Advisor IS Thingom Secretary Somor Luang amadi RK College Sanana Chingba Center asigi member singna sarukjaki Satliba July tha asigi tang kunhumdoida saknairaba theater director amasung Sangit Natak Academy awardee loinana National School of Drama gi chairperson gi thausu bubiramba Ratan Thiamna manung matam sadana laikitabada Jimwak IPSA Jiribam branch SWA Jiribam branch amadi KSA Jiribam branch na thamoi sokna awaba phongdorokpaga loinana imung manunggi awabadasu saruk yazari haina lup marina thadorokpa cherolamana phongdorokle Ngasigi tangdu laita draba chamam naraba Manipur khunai asigi damak achum aran khudombi thinduna akie khang yauduna konjel hauna laubiramba Senior SP IPS P Sunamuni na laikidabada amadi Chinglon Mapan na Kuisinba Yegnabana Palon Sariba Manipur Imabu Theater gi Kutangda Malem na Masak Taklamba Manipur gi ceasefire isuda Padma Shri Award Phauba Handokiba visionary artist Ratan Thiam Ozania sina laikidabada Ripko gi Cherolamada Thamoi Sokna Awaba Phangdorakle IIT Guwahati ki Thijinba group amana Bambusa Tulda haina khangnaba akhanaba wa makhala masijana saba akoibagi phibamga chunaba composite material ama puthokre thuna yangna chawganba makhalgi wa asina patha pumthajaba ngamba biodegradable polymer ga punsindana sema posaga sina plastic ki mahut silaba yai haina panare mechanical engineering loisangi professor Punam Kumari na luchingba kangbo asina hauzik mayok na ripa plastic ki awabasi kokhanbada masina achauba mating oigani haina thajaba thamle Kasar Jilla gi Kalain gi Sindura picnic spot ase lamkoiba lakpasing gi damak matam kharani gi oina thingzin khre handakta Sindura turelda naha ni isingda taduna sikibagi matungda Kasar Jilla lengakna ware pasilau kibani Kasar gi DC Mridul Yadav na Cheksil Thorang Singh yaudana sigum mafam singda chatpana miyamda amangata thokalakpa yai maramasina lengaki yathang ase indaba singi mathakta akan mathabak lokatkani hairi Mukhyamantri Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma na Dibrugarhda lupa crore chatruk changna sagadaba project singi ngarang urep uyung tamkhre masigi saruk ama oina Mukhyamantri na Dibrugarh University ki campus ta nupi gi hostel amagi urep uyung su tamkhe Rajya Sarkar na rajya gi anoba university khudingmakta infrastructure gi damak lupa crore yankhai tawduna pikre Barak Valley da rajya gi university ama nauna saragani haina mahakna phongdokhe Thauramda Mahima Singhi Mantri Dr. Ranos Begu, Medical Education amasung Research Loisangi Mantri Prasanta Pukan amasung Industry amasung Commerce Loisangi Mantri Bimol Pora Sarukjaki. Samaj Sebak Rajkumar Kamaljit ki chahi chama subamapok kumongi chahi amachupna pangthokpa thoromgi sarukama oina Hayeng July ki tang kuntaruk nungthil gi pung mari taba matamda North Tripura District ki Jolbasada Bird Centenary Thoromama Manipuri Sahitya Parishad North District Branch na sinduna pangthokadori Thauramda Manipuri Literary and Cultural Forum Tripura ki General Secretary Khoisnam Mongkolna Chief Guest North Branch ki President Ahibam Buddhana Mayai Tangbal Lautuna pangthokadaba Thoromasida Parishad ki Central Committee ke Assistant General Secretary Ponsam Atul Marup Pauche ki Editor R.K. Tarunjit Sarukyagani Hairi District Kang Association Jiribam na sinduna Dibong Kono Community Hall ki kangsang da sanariba Ahanba District Kang Tournament lising ani ka kunmanga gi ngarang sanakiba pre-quarter final round match da SAYCB Sorok Ating B amadi LECA Babupara Panjal Taramathoi kapna duna draw oikre match asi RK Gaurasana amadi o Bisemborna referee amadi scorer oibiki tournament asigi ngasi nungtilpung ama taba matamda ningthem khungi Yawol B amadi Yawol A ka sanaragani Nungairaba Pao Yoga acupressure amadi physiotherapy gi matengna adomgi khwang naba khud haigat pa yadaba khu tangda naba saru amadi singli naurida nungaitaba paralysis asina chingba akchangi nungaitaba kaya laengana bagitamak ngasimak lengsin birago Senior Consultant Yoga Acupressure and Physiotherapy Specialist in Ortho and Neuropain Dr. S. Chandrababu Singha Holistic Therapy Center Nilmohon Complex near Muscle Gym OB Road Fullertol Kasarasam Nomaizing natabada numit kudingi ayuki pung mapandagi numitangi pung teret phoba layengzari Mobile number 8638078821 Hairiba number asida layengba lakpagi mangwainana appointment book tobinaba khanganjari Admission open July lising aniga kunmanga session gidamakta UGC na recognize tawraba thataruki oiba paramedical certificate course kaya gidamak mingchanba haujare. Dental assistant, ECG assistant, nursing assistant, rural healthcare, multi-purpose health worker, emergency and ambulance attendant, naturopathy and yoga science, phlebotomist amadi X-ray technician gi course tambining basingna July gi tang kunthra gi manungda mingchanbiba yaragani. Arts, science natraga commerce da 12 pass tawraba singna self employment natraga thabak phangnabagi damak coursing asi UGC na masak khanglaba Lingya Vidyapit University gi makhada hangdoksabani. Silchar Rongpur Part 2 Rongpur Mitei Khun manakta Sri Krasar ga thangnabada leiriba IMPS Open College Energy Healing Center campus asida lengsinbiragu. Akupa marol gi damak mobile number 9395732456 natraga 9706554286 number asida pau phaunabiu. Lakhipur online channel asibu yengbiri basingna pawa sibu like amati share tawbiu amati hojik phawa channel asibu subscribe tawbidri basingna subscribe tawbiu. Aroibada maruoiba pau amukhanna lam khopchil lamba singi mayokta Jiribam district administration na takthokpagi thabak ngarangdagi haukhre. Saknairaba theater director Ratan Thiam amadi retired IPS officer Posangmam Sunamani na laikidabada makatana awaba pongtoknarakli. IIT Guwahati gi thijinba kangbu amana akhanaba wa makalama sijenaduna saba polama mana plastic ki mahut silaba yana leire. Kasar jila da Kalain gi Sindura picnic spot lam koiba lakpa singi tamak matam kharagi oina thingzinkhre. Barak Valley da Rajya University amanauna saragani haina Mukhyamantri na phongdokkhre amasung Jiribam da chathariba kang tournament tangase Yawol Biga Yawol Ega sanaragani. Lakhipur online YouTube channel gi pau sandok chaba ngasigi oinadi matang asida loijare.